Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera problems on iPhone 11, iPhone 12 and iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max series. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. So guys, press and hold the power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So wait for it. So turn on your iPhone again. So open the lock screen. So guys, after this the next solution is check for updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest version of iOS. So go back, and then after this the next solution is clean the camera lens. Dirt or smudge on the camera lens can cause blurry or distorted camera photos. Clean the lens with a soft lined free cloth. So guys, after this the next solution is disable any third-party camera apps. If you are experiencing issues with a third-party camera app, try disabling or deleting the app and using default camera app on your iPhone. So guys, after this the next solution is reset your iPhone. uh, so uh, this will reset all your settings to their default values, but your data and media will not be affected. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, after this the next solution, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.